this is the Dermatology Matte Universal Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 46. I have been using the dewy one, and I'm going to switch to the matte for fall. Why I love these, shine-free finish, just a dollop, goes a long, long way. Just rub it into your face and smooths your complexion. I have really replaced my foundation with these tinted moisturizers. And for me, it definitely evens out my complexion. I do not feel greasy. I do not feel glowy, like I need some powder. Just a real nice complexion once this is on there. And as always, the SPF 46, added bonus, broad spectrum. This hydrates with a little bit of tint. Highly recommend the matte.